Arithmetic friends, welcome to our new video of percentages, our 10th case of real life problems. Today we're going to see how to distribute money but making justice. When you know a percentage you want to apply to some people and to share money between them, you are going to use this kind of rules. Let's see one example. Joseph, Peter and Mary invested 5,000, 8,000 and 10,000 euros respectively to develop a company. After a year, the company obtains a 2,300 euros profit. How much money must each partner receive? Let's see. I have said that always you have a percent problem, you use the rule of 3. So, first of all, we're going to see what are the main characters of our story. Here we have Joseph, Peter and Mary. Then we write Joseph, we write Peter, and we write Mary. But we're going to write what are the euros they invested, and also we are interested in percent. So first of all, we know that Joseph invested 5,000 euros, Peter invested 8,000, but Mary, the richest one, invested 10,000 euros. Always, when you are solving a direct proportional distribution problem, you have to add those quantities. Remember, it is very, very important. So here, 5,000 plus 8,000 plus 10,000 means 23,000 euros. So we need to know if 23,000 euros is 100% of the money, 10,000 euros, what percent is? And 8,000 euros, what percent is? And 5,000 euros, what percent is? Because we are going to share the earnings between Joseph, Peter and Mary, but to be fair, we have to give more money to Mary because she invested a lot of money, and less money to Joseph because he invested less money than Mary. Here we can see that it is a rule of 3. Here we see 23,000, 100%, 10,000, I don't know the percent. And always in the rule of 3 we have to multiply the numbers that have a couple in diagonal, and the answer will be divided by the number that doesn't have a couple in diagonal. So we're going to write x is equal to 10,000 times 100 divided by 23,000. And the answer is 4.35% that I can write here. And the answer is 43.48%. That means Mary gave us 43.48% of the money for the business. Now we are going to work with the total and the Peter line. We are going to forget a little bit Mary, and we write x is equal to, so we are going to multiply the numbers that have a couple in diagonal and divide the answer by the number that doesn't have a couple in diagonal. Then we have 8,000 times 100 divided by 23,000. And the answer is 34.78%. That means that Peter is investing 34.78% of the money. Now we're going to see Joseph. So we work with the total line and with the Joseph line. We're going to forget Peter and Mary a little bit. And we write x is equal to 5,000 times 100 divided by 23,000. If you see it is the same, you are going to just change the numbers. 10,000 for Mary, 8,000 for Peter, and 5,000 for Joseph. And the answer is 21.74%. Then we can say that Joseph is investing 21.74% of the money. How can I know if I'm doing it well? If you add numbers, if you add percentages, you have to get always 100%. If it is not true, you are doing something bad. And here we can see that exactly we got 100%. If you have 43.48, 34.78, 21.74. Sometimes you are going to get 99.99% because of the rounding of decimal numbers. But here it is exactly 100%. Now it is very simple. We are going to see how much money Joseph, Peter, and Mary are gonna get. First of all, you have to write the percent in a decimal form. Remember that for writing a percent in a decimal form, you have to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So 21.74% is 0.2174. You are going to multiply that percent times the money you are going to share. If we want to share 2,300 euros between them, because that money is the profit, you are going to multiply the first percent by 2,300. After that, we multiply 34.78% times 2,300 euros, and after that 0.4348 times 2,300 euros. And the first answer is 500 euros with 2 cents. The second answer, 799 with 94 cents. And the final answer, 1,000 with 4 cents. But wait, it is very important to verify that the addition of those numbers is 2,300 euros. Always, always, always. You have to verify that if you share money, if you distribute money, those quantities are adding the money you want to share. It is logic. And also you want to verify that percents are adding 100%. So finally we can say that it is very logic that Mary, that invested 10,000 euros, is going to get 1,000 euros of the money. But Joseph, that only invested 5,000 euros, is getting 500 euros. Final answer, we are gonna give 500 euros with 2 cents for Joseph, 799 euros with 94 cents for Peter, and 1,000 euros with 4 cents for Mary. So please, if you liked it, thank you very much for sharing our videos, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.